Hi, my dear tea enthusiasts, welcome back. In this video, we pick up right where we left off, after the plucking of the first flush tea leaves. Now, we begin with the withering process. In this step, 60 to 70% of the leaf moisture is released with the help of the cold and hot air. We blow this cold and hot air for 16 to 18 hours, depending on the leaf condition. As the moisture evaporates, the leaves become soft and flexible, preparing them for the next stage. Then we move to rolling. In this step, the leaves are gently twisted and the cell walls are ruptured. This crucial action allows moisture to spread evenly and it triggers the start of oxidation. After rolling, we carefully dry the leaves at 235 to 240 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 22 minutes using an endless chain presser machine. This drying step locks in the oxidation, preserving the flavor and the freshness. After the drying is complete, we will move on to tea tasting session. Stay with me as we savor every step of this incredible journey. In today's tea tasting session, let's see the appearance of the first flush black tea. It's light green, very fine texture, tender leaves with two leaves and a bud. Silvery tips are visible. Now, when we see the liquor, it's pale golden to light amber, clear, bright, much lighter than regular black tea. When we see the infusion, this is infusion, and let's have a nose of it. So it's fresh, floral, and slightly grassy. So let's taste the cup. Delicate, fresh, brisk, and a mild and astringency. Distinct floral notes we have in this first flush black tea. It's more like a spring in a cup. Thank you.